Well, I used to, initially I'd say I counted birds, and then I would say I estimated, and now I say I just have an impression that there are this many birds out there.
How many are impressed upon you?
Probably there's at least 10,000 birds out there. The video has audio.
Such a different sound. It's so fun to do.
How much did you say you estimated? 10,000?
There's at least 10,000. There might be 20,000.
There's a lot, that's for sure. Now those are the cranes too. Because there's quite a few Canadian geese too.
Yeah. There's a few here. There's a few out in the field.
Oh, I saw something
You stand through there, you'll see some white birds
yeah,
out
I did
there.
see white ones. They hang out with the rest of them, or?
Yeah, pretty much.
Do they pick on each other?
Any bird that gets next to another one when they're feeding, poke at each other.